YouTube, this is your girl, the hair guru Carla, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, I am doing a bob sewing on dreadlocks. So my client has been growing these dreadlocks for over 3 years now, and she had just got it retwisted. Today is her fiance's birthday, and she wanted to do something different. She didn't like the retwist. It's not that she didn't like the retwist, but she just wanted to do something different for his birthday. So my thing is, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So people do come and challenge that. So she came today and she wanted me to do something different. And she asked if I can do a bob on all that hair that she have. And since that's my motto, Philippians 4:13, I cannot say no. I have to give the clients what they want. I cannot turn down a challenge. So that was kind of a challenge for me because of all that hair that she has. But I can't say no. I have to do what the client asks. So y'all keep watching and stay tuned in and see how this is gonna go. So as usual, I have to get all the bulkiness a little bit flatter than it is. But this is dread, so it's not like the hair is smooth and it's easy for me to make it flatter. These are dreads and it's hard to be flat, but I'm just gonna have to figure this one out. So what I'm doing, I'm sewing the dreads down and trying to make it as flat as I can. She has a lot of hair and it's thick. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do to make it not look bulky with the bob. But as usual, I can always camouflage the bulkiness with a haircut and a curl. So y'all pray for me on this one. And y'all stay tuned in. But I always have to remember I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So y'all stay tuned in and y'all keep watching. Right here, I am trying to give her some cute little baby hairs. You know, she still have, her hair is kind of curly under all those dreads. You can't really tell. But, you know, she have the little pretty edges and all that. So I was trying to make her have some baby hairs so that when I push the hair back, you can see the baby hairs. You cannot tell she has dreadlocks under the hairstyle. So now I'm proceeding with the sewing cap. That's a hair net to help hold the dreads down also. And then I am sewing the hair onto the dreads. We are using 2 packs of Dreamweaver 10-inch number 1. And I'm doubling the tracks so that I can have it, at least have the back full to camouflage that hump. So, you know, this is going to be interesting. So y'all keep watching and pay attention. And I'll be back on the end to talk a little bit more about the hairstyle. Okay, so I'm done styling this bob, and as y'all can see, she loves it. She gave me the nod of approval. You know, it's something different after 3 years from it's something different from the dreadlocks. So she loves it, and I think it looks normal. When I say normal, it don't look like she has all that hair under there, the big bulk. It don't look like that. I think I camouflaged it well. So y'all can give me y'all opinion on what y'all think about the hairstyle. Also, I know some people is gonna ask why not wear a wig. She do not like wigs. She didn't want to wear a wig. She don't like glue. She don't want no glue in her hair. This is what she wanted. She wanted me to sew a bob in her head, and that's what I did. So all the questions about that, I'm answering it now. She do not like wigs. She do not like glue. Also, all she need to do is get a rat tail comb. If her scalp itch, scratch it. That's it. She can keep this for about a month. And I recommend a month and just take it out, shampoo her dreads, and just keep it moving. Usually my sewings last 2 to 3 months, but with the dreadlocks, I recommend 1 month, not 2 months, 1 month. I recommend for her to keep it. So that's some of the questions I know y'all gonna ask. So I'm answering it in advance. But if y'all have other questions or comments, y'all leave it in the description bar. Well, in the comment section. And I'll be sure to answer. And also, if y'all like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank y'all for watching. Until the next video, stay blessed.